Happy quarter two advisory planning. I'm so excited to talk to you guys about advisory and to share just some information background about advisory that a lot of you know and some of you may not. MP3 Middle has been doing advisory for 10 years, even a little over 10 years now. Why have we been doing advisory for so long? It all started with something called the middle school design team. Look at this big, huge binder. There was groups of us who worked in the district before MP3 Middle School even opened who were on a design team and went and visited other successful middle schools all over the US. Like I flew on an airplane to visit schools in Illinois and everywhere else. It was such a fun experience. Something that worked at all of the schools that we visited was advisory. So we decided when we opened the school, Mr. Hunt, he was also on the design team, that he was going to put advisory into the middle school. So it started with this big binder and seeing what worked at other schools, right? Then we embarked on this journey of what works with, middle schoolers and advisory. We have been all over the place, you guys. Look, I'm like looking in my office. I have so many advisory resources. We've done Leader and Me. We have the 7 Habits. For those of you who have been around a while, we've done this Teaching with Love and Logic. A lot of it comes from there. There have been 6th grade used to use tribes. We've had people web trained. And then, of course, there is Discipline Without Stress, which is still a backbone for us today. In addition to, I have all these binders that 6th, 7th, and 8th used to have. And remember that really big red book called the Advisory Book? That was huge too. But when I really think about it, all these books and everything like that don't matter. The thing that's really important is our focus on it and that we're thinking about the kids when we do it and we're purposeful with what we do. And also that you guys are building relationships. The kids are more successful when they have at least one person on campus that they can come and talk to. Now, I know this digital world and COVID has changed things, but you guys are doing an amazing job at that. Our kids are so lucky to have you guys in our advisory program. So, on that note, happy quarter two planning.